Hi guys, I'm back. Look what I did. This is beautiful. I thought I'd just, finish off that black stuff. And look what happened. It is beautiful and I didn't video it. Look how beautiful this is. Can you see how these cells are popping and looking awesome? Look at that. And it's on a black background, as you can see. Hold it up a little higher so you can see the whole thing. I just hate it that I didn't video it because it was really awesome. Well, I'll have to do it again. Who knows? Maybe I'll have some more time this weekend and I can show you how I did that. But I really had fun doing this. This is beautiful. Especially that orange on the background, the black background, it's really awesome. Only I had some silicone in the background color and I shouldn't have done that, but okay. So if I have some time left, I'll show you. Okay guys, love you, bye-bye.